What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over from Bitcoin, currently sitting at 24.1, down 2.4 on the day. Seeing market cap about 463 billion. 24-hour volume, 30.29 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email, and I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto completely for free. If you sign up to one of the exchanges, email me your sign-up email. So let's hop into BTC. We started to break down. We had the divergences that we were covering on the 4-hour time frame. We were losing strength, money was flowing out, and we've started to drop. So the maximum retracement for a wave 4 is 23.5. So if we were to break that level, then that means this is an overshooting wave B, and we're going to start, and we put in a local top, and we're going to start to see the continuation to the downside in a larger correction. Now we are oversold on the 1-hour time frame, so we may see a little bit of a bounce if where's my chart with it as an overshooting wave B. Just give me one moment, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. I think that's important. So we'll quickly open up the chart with the overshooting wave B. Okay, here we are. So if this were to indeed be an overshooting wave B, of course, that confirmation would be a break below 23.5K. Potentially what you could be looking at is coming down in a wave C. Now, if we look for a 5-wave move, I'd probably look at like wave 1, wave 2. This is probably a 3, 4, looking to come down in a lower low and a 5. What you'd be looking at is a wave 1 down, you pull back in a wave 2, and then you would see a 3, 4, 5, which would complete the wave C and could bring you down to like 18 to about 20K in a large wave 2 pullback. So you pushed up in a, let me scroll back here. Let me zoom out. You push up in a wave 1, you see a large wave 2 pullback, and then boom, push up in a wave 3. That's what I think is the best case scenario if we do see a large pullback for the bottom being in, because of course we break these lows and that opens up the floodgates for 12K. But personally, I think we may have bottom. I think there's a good case that we bottom, and we're looking to pull back in a wave 2 pretty soon here. As I mentioned on the daily, our divergences are telling us that we're due for a pullback, as we've seen many times in the past with crypto. Now, if we do put in a higher high, I would expect it to be very similar to what we saw back in March of 2021. I remember those times. So what you may be looking at is very similar to what we're seeing right here. So we pushed up, and then we saw a pullback, and we created a higher high, but we were slowing down. We saw a pullback, and we created one more higher high while losing strength and money flowing out. So we've pushed up, we hit resistance, we pull back, we put in a higher high. So if we do bounce, we put in one more higher high, and then we drop to 18 to 20K, in my opinion. That's really your best case scenario, is putting in the higher high. We can break down from here. It's very possible. As I mentioned, if we lose 23.5, we started to break down from this ascending triangle or rising wedge, however you were seeing the pattern, and the technical target is down at 23.5. If that support is lost, it's no longer a wave 4, and we can focus on an overshooting wave B and coming down in a wave C. Now looking at the DXY, we have a bearish divergence, so this may break down soon, and then you come down to 102, which would put in a higher high for BTC before seeing a large bounce and seeing Bitcoin come down in the wave C. Now the NDQ, last week we were talking about the NDQ 100 coming back down for a retest, and that's exactly what it's doing here. So if it can hold that neckline and bounce, I would be positive for Bitcoin. However, if that neckline is broken, then it was simply a fake out to the upside, and that would be quite negative for the stock market. Of course, Bitcoin is closely correlated with the NDQ 100, which are the top 100 tech stocks. All right, gang, so that's your main support to watch, 23.5. If we do bounce from here, there is potential for us to put in a wave 5. Just knocked off my fib, which would take you up in between about 25.9 and about 27.2K, which is the 618 extension, which is a normal price target for a wave 5. That's your best case scenario, but we can break down from here if we lose that support of 23.5. Currently, we are short both Bitcoin and Ethereum in some juicy gains. If you want those signals, they're coming in at 10 USD per month. Everything else is completely free if you sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Check out my full link tutorials. Email me your sign up email. And at 10 USD per month, early access to my analysis signals can be very helpful in your trading journey. Crypto news, members like to post their profits in here from their own trades. Let it quickly load up. Mahalo alt plays, same price as a Netflix subscription. As you can see here, some juicy gains. Or a McDonald's Big Mac fries and a drink. It's probably over $10 in the West nowadays. Sign up to the Patreon link, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.